Hey everyone, let's solve another LeetCode problem using TypeScript language. The problem today we are solving is reverse string. We will start by understanding the problem, then we will discuss our approach and then dive into writing TypeScript code to solve it. Okay, so first, what is the reverse string problem all about? The reverse string problem is all about reversing the order of characters in a given array of strings. If we consider an example, suppose this is the input list of a string and these are the list of string. What we have to do is we just have to reverse the string or reverse the elements. Like h is at the start of the string, in the output h will be at the last of the string, at e is at the second number, and in output e will be at the second last index, and O is at the last index, and in output O will be at the first index. How we can do that? Our approach involves using a simple two-pointer technique. We will have one pointer at the beginning of the array and another at the end. Then we will swap characters at these positions until they meet in the middle, effectively reversing the string. So that's the plan. Let's roll up our sleeve and start writing some TypeScript code to implement this approach. We are given with a reverse string function. It is receiving a list of string and it is returning void, means it is returning nothing. First we have to declare two pointers. One will point to the left of the string and one will point to the right of the string. For that I will declare let left, which will be of type number, and initialize it with 0. Another pointer right of type number, and I will initialize it with the length of -1. So these two lines, the left will indicate at h and right will indicate at 0. If we consider an example, left will indicate to the start of the string, to the head of the string, and the right will indicate at the tail of the string, or you can say at the end of the string. Okay, next. Next, I will declare a while loop. This while loop will run until the left pointer is less than the right pointer. In the while loop, I will declare a temp variable that will help in swapping these values. Let temp of type string. Because we have a list of strings, so I will declare temp with type of string and I will initialize it with the left, string of left. This means that temporary is now representing the h variable, the head of the list, and left is also indicating to the left of the string. Okay, so next I will swap the value s of right to the s of left. This line means that the value of O is now in the s of left, which is here. So our temporary variable is currently indicating h, and our left variable is also indicating h, and sorry, here I have make a mistake. I will have to, and here will be right, because we want the O to store in the this place, and then we want to store h in the O's place. So for that I will write another line of code that would simply be, so that's done. These three lines of code will swap the values in iterations. Next we have to move left pointer to the middle of the string and right pointer to the middle of the string. For that purpose, we have to increment the left pointer in order to move that to the middle of the string, and to move right at the middle of the string, we have to decrement the right pointer. I will simply increment left and I will decrement right. That's it for the program. Now let's run the program. Okay, our cases 1 is accepted, case 2 is also accepted. Okay, our cases are accepted. Now we can finally submit the code. Our solution is also accepted. So that's it for the video. We have effectively solved the reverse string problem, and this problem involves swapping the values